We saw some examples of list and set. Now we will learn how to use a hash map. Here is a problem statement. A bank maintains bank accounts of users in a database. When you visit the bank and provide your account number to the teller, they fetch your account details. Create an in-memory database-like collection and maintain bank accounts in that. There should be a single entry for one account number. We should be able to fetch the account details when an account number is supplied to the collection. To solve this, we need a table-like data structure in memory. A map is an interface that maps keys to values. A map cannot contain duplicate keys. HashMap is an implementation of map interface. We have an account class with instance variables for account number, name, and balance. It has a constructor that takes values for account number, name, and balance. Do remember to override the toString method. We have created a class account database. Please note that this is not a real database, but an in-memory one as per the requirement. An in-memory database means the value saved in it will remain in memory as long as the application is running. As soon as the application is stopped, the objects and variables stored in it will be discarded. We have defined a hash map named account map. Since we need to map an account object to its account number, the key will be the account number, which is of type integer, and value will be the account object. Both key and value should be objects and not primitives, so we are defining the type parameter as the wrapper class integer. The map is initialized in the constructor. There is a method to add an account to the map. It accepts an account object, calls the method put_of_hashmap, and inserts an entry into the map. Please note that even though the account number is a primitive value, the map accepts it. This is because of the autoboxing feature of Java. Autoboxing is the automatic conversion between primitive types and the corresponding wrapper classes. The key is the account number, which we can fetch by using getAccountNumber method of account object. The value is the account object. If there is already an entry in the map with this account number, it will be replaced with a new entry. There is also a method to remove an entry from the map that accepts an account number of the account to be removed. Passing a key to the remove method of HashMap will delete the entry from the map. Method getAccountFromDatabase takes an account number and returns the corresponding account object. Finally, getAllAccountsFromDatabase returns all the entries in the map. Let's look at the test class. We are creating an object of account database, creating a few account objects, and then adding them to the in-memory database. Fetching an account is easy. Just call the method getAccountFromDatabase with the correct account number. We can remove an account entry by calling remove method with the account number. Let us run the test class to see the output. Well, it works. Thus, we have completed the solution. We now know how to create a hash map, add and remove entries, and fetch a value for a key. There is an exercise for you to solve.